Are you tired of constant downtimes disrupting your business? Databricks faced this challenge head-on. They needed a solution to enhance scalability and reduce operational downtimes in their IT service. Introducing Freshservice, your ultimate unified hub for all employee needs. With Freshservice, you can achieve remarkable outcomes. Experience a 23% deflection rate by implementing self-service solutions. Freshservice enables you to expand your operations seamlessly to multiple departments. Powered by the robust Freshworks Neo Platform on AWS, it's designed for scale and reliability. Freshservice stands out because it provides comprehensive support across your organization effortlessly. Don't let downtime hold your business back any longer. Transform your service operations today with Freshservice. Take action now. Visit our website to discover more about Freshservice and start your journey towards a more efficient future.